Good morning, folks. I'm working this shoreline. A lot of mullet. See some birds down here moving around. Try to make my way down this shoreline to see if I can see any redfish tails or active redfish. Looking to see maybe if I can see some reds out here. It's cooled up, but the tide's not real high but not real low. I was here yesterday and the tide was higher, but I'm looking at something at 12 o'clock. It looks like something's just moving. That water's kind of, he's pushing water a little. Oh, there he went, right there. Wow. There goes another red over there. See if I can cut him off. They're real skittish. And I had that lure right in front of him, but didn't want it. I mean, you've got to be really pinpoint on your casts. There goes another red. Oh my goodness, right in front of me. Wow. Well, I lost an opportunity. I'm gonna throw this vodoo shrimp about 2.5 inches. Well, I see a little current coming towards me right in front of me. Got him. Got him. Got him. There he goes. Got him on that vodoo shrimp. As soon as I changed it, that's what they wanted. Give him a little. Give him a little. Let him have a little bit of let him take me for a little ride here. Tighten up the drag a little bit. Oh yeah, nice redfish. Oh yeah, nice. Here he comes. He's coming my way. Once he sees the kayak, he's gonna take another run. There, he saw the kayak. Just keep tension on him. Just keep that tension on him. Let's see here. Let's get this out of the way. Get my net ready and keep tension on him. Reel down on him. I didn't get a little tired. He's not ready yet. He's not ready yet. I can tell you that. He's not ready yet. See, a lot of people try to bring their net out too soon. That's a good thing he's leading me away from the other reds. Okay, buddy. Let's see, you ready yet? No? Not yet. Wait till he turns on his side, then he'll be ready. Let me turn him around this way towards me. Okay, I think he's just about it. That's done. He's done now. All right. Maybe not. Oh yeah, he's so good. Okay, he's done now. There you go. All right. Nice. Nice, nice. Oh, I switched lures to vodoo shrimp. I was throwing that curly tail. They didn't want that. They wanted that shrimp. He was swimming towards me. Oh yeah. Right above the lip. Look at that. Let's see what we got here. I think he's probably in the upper slots. Maybe a 20. I'll say a 26 maybe. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, almost a 27. Almost 27. Nice healthy redfish. All right, well, I'm keeping fish today. Through there, through there. Get up here. And I'm done, and he's done. All right, I drifted the right direction away from the rest of those redfish, so there's more over there. This little voodoo shrimp did the trick, about two and a half inches, but he matched the hatch because I've been seeing some shrimp jumping. So I'm gonna get my paddle and try to paddle my way back over there. I think I see a redfish in front of me about 12 o'clock. See that water moving way over there? So I'm making my way over there real slow. I know you guys see it. Oh, there went a red. Dang it, he was right there. So that tells me I'm just gonna line cast in here just for a minute or two. I don't want to miss something on the way to catch that one that's over there. Oh, there's another redfish over there feeding. He's still there. Got him. A little smaller red here. Not as big as the last one, but he's got some. Yeah, he's a little smaller. Yeah, he's gonna pull me a little bit. Yeah, I seen him earlier. He finally took that shrimp. Let me swing him around. He's not that big. He doesn't look like a keeper, but he's making a bunch of ruckus. I don't need the net for him. He might be a little small. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Yeah, he's a little small. Let's see if I can pull out this. There it goes. Oh, he's probably 18. He's probably 18, a little under 18. Actually, no, that's a 20. That's a keeper red. Well, all right. Well, the 20s are even better tasting, so he'll go on my stringer. He's called a lower slot red. There he goes. My little voodoo shrimp. It's the ticket today.